Hello everybody, this is an Anthony Krem video, and today we are going to be unboxing the Chromebook. I know it's the Chromebook because eBay actually notified me this time. So next episode I will be restoring this, I guess. And this is like the fastest something's ever been shipped to me because I can't get that. Because I ordered it yesterday. I made the blog post today because I realized I forgot to. Oh, that's a huge amount of okay. I guess they really wanted to protect it. There it is. So, does that have battery charge? Oh, it does. Oh, and you can see Chrome. He did say that the backlight was gone, though. That's cool. It works. So, you will be seeing a screen replacement video on this soon. And I hope to see you there. And I will also be putting it in the description. And if any of you know where I can get a Galaxy Note 7, not the fan edition, the actual Note 7, please let me know because I'm in the market for one. Other than that, this has been an Anthony Krem video. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.